Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to transfer Trust Wallet to another phone. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So transferring your Trust Wallet to another phone is pretty much easy. All you got to do is simply download the Trust Wallet on the next phone. So once you have done this, you need to simply tap open your Trust Wallet. And now you need to simply tap on I already have account. So once you have tapped on I already have an account, you need to simply tick on all the legal issues that are the privacy policy and like terms of service. After doing this, you need to now simply type in the 12-word recovery phrase in the correct order that has been given on your previous account. After this, set a new password or PIN for added security and tap on import. Once you have done this, you can simply double check your assets, and this is how you can simply transfer your Trust Wallet to another phone. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.